In this video, we are going to look at how to add height boundaries to a surface. So you can see in my screen I have a surface and I have selected some areas where I need to hide. So these red rectangles is the areas I need to hide. So if you click on the surface and go to object viewer, you will see a surface like this. So we will see what happens after we apply height boundary. The definition of height boundaries, it is hiding the area inside the surfaces without taking data inside that area. So I'll select boundaries after expanding the surface, and my type would be height boundaries. So I'll type height and click OK, and I'll click all these things and right click and enter. So you will see now there are several green color boundaries added inside the surface. So if you go to surface and click object viewer here, you will see now you will see holes inside the surface. That means you are not going to see the surface since it's inside this area. The surface is not included inside those rectangles because they are hidden. So this is how to use hide boundaries in Civil 3D.